Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda Rebel 500 Cruiser. This twin-cylinder, fuel-injected, lightweight cruiser just arrived with only 2,190 miles on the odometer. Super low mileage, really beautiful satin black finish. Wait till you hear that shorty exhaust. This bike is ready to go, very low mileage. Come on by and make your lightweight, low seat height cruiser dreams come true for just $54.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.